new video, which is a form a number divisible by 3 using array digit. So let's first read the problem. You have been given an array and the number of array elements. So you have to divide the array by 3 and you have to construct the number by adding, like if this is 40, 50, and you need to add that as well. So everybody knows that if any number is divisible by 3, then all the digit sum should be divided by 3. I mean, this is the basic mathematics, everybody knows that. So you have been given array 30, 40, let's say 50. So now you have to construct the number like that, and now you have to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So what I can do, I can check for each number whether it is divisible by 3 or not, and I will take the remainder. Okay, in the same way I will take the remainder. And why I am taking, because I have already told you that the sum of the numbers, if the sum of the number is divisible by 3, let's say if 30 is divisible by 3, then 3 plus 0 would also be divisible by 3, because that is the property of divisibility by 3. Okay, so what I can do, every time I pick the element and I will take the remainder by 3, and I can then, here you can see you will get 1, and for 40 you will get 2. I can sum all these and then I can try to take the remainder again. So if it is 0, then I can say it is divisible by 3, else it is not divisible by 3. Let's take one more example. You have been given 1 to 3. So 1 to 3 is divisible by 3 or not. For that you should know, like 1 is divisible by 3 or not. You will get the remainder 1. Okay, now for 2 you will get the remainder 2, and for 3 you will get the remainder 0. Now add all these things, that will be as 3. Now why it is working? Obviously if you add 1 plus 2, so that will construct the 3, and the remainder also you can see will construct this one. Now if you know, like you have been given 6 plus 4, let's say. Okay, now if it is divisible by 3, you can write it like 3 plus 2, and you can write it like 3 plus 1 plus 1. Now let's say if you divide this by 3, so you see here 2, you will see here 1, and you will see 1 by 3, and you can see the 1 would be remaining. Okay, so here you go 10, and here you will also get 10 more 3, so that would be 1. Here also you are getting 4, 3, that is 1. So I'm not want to make it much complicated, just let's jump to the code. So let's see the code first in Java. So we are iterating the array, and every time we are taking the modulus by 3, and after that all the sum we are again taking the modulus, and we will do this for each element. And if the sum is now 0, we will return 1, else we will return 0. In C as well you can see the same code, and in Python obviously in one linear you can do that. For I in range this one, okay, you have to do array remainder by 3, and you have to calculate the sum, and at the end you will take the remainder again by 3, and if it is 0, return 1, else return 0. So I think that's all, and you can check out the solution on our channel, and do like and subscribe.